Kentucky, northern Madison County in central Kentucky, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Richmond, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicating
that old car.
Communication. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe radar indicated Fury in the 10 p.m. moving miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Saturday.
The building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room.
U.S. tossing.
These brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage.
In this same.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. And significant property damage. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Harris Ferry around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Anderson can. Flexible. I can show.
Radio to 5288.
Tax relief doc.
Well, that caught me by surprise. Let's hope that's it for now.